Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to save an image to your gallery from Instagram without having to take a screenshot. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, of course, you need to launch Instagram. Then you need to click on the explore icon. So once you're in the explore section, you then need to find the picture that you actually want to save to your gallery, and once you found the picture, you then need to tap on it. Now at this point, you need to click on the share or the DM icon at the bottom and simply share it to your story. Now once that is completed, you then need to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner and select save. After which you then need to go back because you don't actually want to post this to your story. Then you need to go to your gallery and you will see that the image was saved to your gallery. However, you won't be able to get rid of the little tag or watermark at the bottom, but that's pretty much how you go about saving an image from Instagram to your gallery without taking a screenshot. So if you guys found this video useful or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.